It's a freaking Christmas miracle. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super simple winter wonderland baby shower centerpiece. Let's get right into it and get started. The first thing you want to do is measure your garland 2 times around. Once you have that measurement, go ahead and cut it. And then you want to have about 2 handfuls of rocks, and you want to go ahead and place them in. Next, you'll want to add your Christmas tree, and for it to stay in there, you want to get some of the rocks underneath. Alright, now we're going to go back to our double garland and just spin it around. And then you'll take your snowflake, put it in your table center top, have your little centerpiece, and you're all done. Super easy, inexpensive, and a really beautiful minimalist baby shower centerpiece.